Today I am going to show you how to clean a fish tank quickly. Now let's get started. First, remove the plants in the tank. Then remove the shells and stones. It's time to remove fish. Don't worry if you don't have a net. I'll show you how to catch them using your hands. Shells and plants and fish are put into separate containers. Clean the stones and shells. Clean the tank. Now I am going to pour water using a bucket. Here I am using rainwater. If you are using tap water, don't forget to add some anti-chlorine drops. Then put the shells, stones and plants. Now time to add fish. My favorite tetra. Then plenty of platy. Speedy zebras. Finally, tank cleaner. Just as new, it's done. Thank you.